I'm Margret Fernandes from Bastara. I'm a Goan lady. I'm come here every year. Since my childhood, I've been coming here and since my mother and father used to bring her years here with big devotion to Saint Francis Xavier. We have love and affection, and we are spiritually moved towards Jesus because He has given us a way, shows us a love that we have to be more spiritually to Jesus. And today, in fact, I'm come with my husband and with my children, and I brought them because the veneration gave us the childhood thoughts that you have to love Him, and then whatever you ask through the intercession to the Saint Francis Xavier, we get it, whatever I ask, and I am very happy. Secondly, I just want to say very big thanks to the Father Parish of this church. Well organized, very well systematically done, everything. All the best to you.